dictionary is in alphabetical order. Look for your letters.
And use the guide words. Guide words guide you to each entry word. They're found at the top of every page.
Entry words are always bolded.
Look here. Weather and weasel
And web-footed.
are bolded.
That means they are entry
The
words.
pronunciation key tells you how to say the word. Look at the pronunciation key of the word.
A pronunciation key is always given in parentheses.
A definition tells you the meaning of a word. Let's look at the word order. Order has 11 different meanings. The most common definition always comes first. For instance, in order, the most common definition is to tell someone he or she must do something. Sometimes the word has more than one definition, like in order. That's why there are numbers on the sides of the definition. Remember, you can always look for the definition in the dictionary. Words can be grouped into parts of speech. Some parts of speech are nouns, verbs, adjectives, pronouns, and even interjections.
Oh my!
A dictionary tells you the part of speech of a word. Here's the word sink. Sink is a verb and a noun. A sink can be a thing, like the sink in your kitchen. A sink can be a verb, like to sink under the surface.
Are you having trouble with a word like sprint? Entry words use example sentences to help you understand the word.
An example sentence is usually in italics.
When you look at the word sprint, you will see that after the definition is the example sentence. It says, Gary sprinted across the park so he wouldn't be late for school.
Hopefully you won't have any trouble with example sentences. We're late for school.
Let's sprint!
Some dictionaries have diagrams. Diagrams have arrows that point to important parts of the picture. Here's an example. Here is a fishing rod. As you can see, there's an arrow that points to bait on the hook. As you can see, a diagram shows you important parts of an object. It can also show you the inside and the outside of an object. You can always look at the dictionary to find important parts of an object.
The dictionary, there are reference materials like glossaries, world flags, and of course, maps. Maps include map keys, labels for the countries, and an imaginary line in the middle of the earth called the equator. As you can see, you can learn a lot about geography and just in general using the back of the dictionary.
Hope you enjoyed our dictionary movie. Let's learn some new words.